Hey guys, Cam here from PocketLint, and with every manufacturer seemingly chasing that dream of bezel-less edge-to-edge displays, it's refreshing to see a company try something a bit different. And that company is Sony, no less. The manufacturer that usually has a reputation for just churning out slight improvements on the previous phone every 6 months has come up with an all-new form. This is the new flagship Xperia 1, and it's quite long. That's no doubt helped by the 21:9 ratio display that also happens to be 4K resolution. It's a bit unusual, but we love the square modernist looks and even quite like the way the top bezel contrasts with the ultra-slim framing around the sides. All the buttons are on the right edge. Here you have a camera button, power button, fingerprint scanner and the volume rocker. And overall the phone has a really clean minimalist appeal that's typical of Sony's past. That subtle metal framing from the edges adds a classy accent, and the symmetrical and clean camera layout and glass finish on the back only add to that appeal. Now thankfully all three cameras are actually usable and useful. They're all 12 megapixel, but you have a wide, ultra-wide and telephoto camera for three very different fields of view. And with 5-axis stabilization and f-stop 1.6 aperture on the primary lens, you should also get great blur-free shots, even in less than ideal lighting conditions. Now back to that display, it's OLED and promises breathtaking HDR capabilities powered by Sony's X-Reality engine. Sadly though, we weren't able to see anything on it except the wallpaper. So to get a sense of what the 21:9 ratio display on a phone would look like, we had to turn to the cheaper Xperia 10. Now software-wise it runs Android Pie and comes loaded with a modern version of Sony's Android skin, and that includes the ability to launch split-screen multitasking by tapping and holding an app icon. And for those who need specs, there's a Snapdragon 855 inside, 6GB of RAM, and either 64 or 128GB of storage, plus a 3330 mAh battery which you can charge quickly with an 18-watt power delivery compatible fast charger. So there you have it, Sony's new long flagship. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on social media, and I'll see you again in the next one.